So what's up? Kamusta? Ayos pa tayo dyan. So ngayong araw na to, ito naman pag-usapan natin, ang Kymco $150i. So tara, silipin natin magkano nga ba to? At kung sulit nga ba ang specification nitong motorcycle na to.
Will everything be alright? I need a sign, cause I don't wanna waste my time. Sometimes I don't wanna wake up.
So ayun na nga, umpisahan natin ang kanyang specification. Ito ay naka single overhead cam, naka 2 valves at single cylinder. Naka air cooled nga lang pala ang isang to, pero naka fuel injection na ang isang to. Ang kanyang displacement 150.1 cc to be exact. Maximum power, meron itong 8.5 kilowatts at 7,000 rpm na may maximum torque na 12.8 Newton meter at 5,500 rpm. Astig na rin ang kanyang specification para dito sa 150cc ng Kymco $150i. Ayos din, di ba? At isa pa, napaka-cute ng isang to. Ito na yata yung isa sa mga napaka-cute na nakita kong motor ngayong Makina Moto Expo 2025. So, dalawin nyo yung Kymco branch ng nationwide para at least makita nyo kung ano nga ba ang itsura kapag nasa personal. Ang cute na isang to. Tara, tuloy na natin ang specification. Para naman sa kanyang dimension or suspension, sa kanyang front ay naka-telescopic fork tayo rito. Sa rear naman ay naka-dual shock absorber. Ang front size naman ay 90 by 90 by 12, samantalang sa rear ay 100 by 90 by 10. Ang front brake system nga pala nito ay disc brake, samantalang sa rear ay naka-drum brake lang. Ang kanyang overall dimension ay 1,935 by 720 by 1,065 mm. Ang kanyang weight ay 125 kilos. Samantalang seat height ay 745 mm. Ang wheelbase 1,395 mm. Pero ang kanyang fuel tank capacity ay 8 liters. Malayo nang mararating mo sa 8 liters na yan. Napaka-tipid pa ng isang to. 150cc lang yan. Ang mga other features na ito ay naka-dual LED headlights. At yung kanyang flip deck or yung kanyang rear na upuan ay pwede mong tiklupin, pwede mong gawing lagayan ng ating top box. Yan, kung makikita nyo na meron na rin tayo rito mga bracket. At meron na rin tayo rito ang fast charging USB Type-C. And malaki yung kanyang compartment, kasya ang half-face na helmet. At naka-interactive digital display na rin tayo rito sa kanyang panel. Astig, di ba? At syempre, para sa mga nagtatanong, magkano nga ba ang SRP netong Kymco $150i? Ito ay nagkakahalaga lang naman ng 127,800. So, sa tingin nyo, sulit ba ang presyo niya ngayong 2025? At sa itsura ng motor or specification ng motor, sulit nga ba? Comment nyo naman yan sa baba para at least mapag-usapan natin. So, ayun na nga, para dun sa mga kukuha, puntahan nyo na lang ang Kymco branch nationwide para at least makita nyo personal ang motor. So, sana nakatulong tong video na to. So, magkita-kita na lang ulit tayo sa mga susunod nating video. I'm Mark D. Ciao! Maraming salamat sa inyo and special thanks dito sa ating Makina Moto Expo 2025. Babush!
Give me a sign, will everything be alright? I need a sign, cause I don't wanna waste my time. Sometimes I don't wanna wake up, I feel tired in my bed, wanna lay up, watch TV instead, about fake love. Let the drama unfold with my brain numb. Yeah, I'm still digesting everything that's going on, second guessing if this world is a place worth saving. I feel lost in this world as of lately. Give me a sign, will everything be alright? I need a sign, cause I don't wanna waste my time. I wish I knew if all of my dreams would come true. I wanna be free, I gotta find a way to believe. I give up then it's over, but if I keep going every day's a bit closer. Highs and the lows feels like a roller coaster, it's never over. I gotta find a way to get inspired in this life. Stop looking out and start looking inside. Find what I love and take a little pride. Anything is better than complaining about life. I don't need help, I could do it by myself. No pain, no gain, I will go through hell. Do what it takes, I will break out of my shell. I'm never coming back, once I'm gone, I'm out. Yeah, got me like, ooh, watch me on the screen, you gon' see me making moves. You gon' see me scheme like I got something to prove. Working like a fiend, yeah, I do just what I do. Got a purpose, got a view, turn my vision into truth. My dreams are becoming lucid. The more I work improving, the more I fight, keep moving. I am not losing, pride keeps me refueling. I will be better real soon, yeah. Real soon, yeah. Give me a sign, will everything be alright? Okay. I need a sign, cause I don't wanna waste my time. I wish I knew if all of my dreams would come true. I wanna be free, I gotta find a way to believe. You gotta believe, I will make it happen one day. You gon' see my face in my name. Came to this place to be great. I will make it happen one day. You gon' see my face in my name.